Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. I'm so happy to see you all again in this advanced Power BI playlist. Today we will learn something very important that can make a huge difference in your Power BI journey. If you are preparing for the interview for Power BI developer, this video is a must watch for you. Why? Because almost 99.9% of the time interviewers will ask a question related to calculate formula in DAX. If you can understand this formula and perform it well in the interview, your chances of getting the job will be very high. So stick around till the end. I promise you will be the master of this concept. Let's talk about the calculate formula. This is one of the most powerful and commonly used formulas in DAX. It helps us create calculations with filters applied. Think of it like this. You want to calculate the total sales, but only for a specific region, like the north region. With the calculate formula, you can easily do this in just few steps. So I'm going to type north sales is equal to north sales. This is the name of our measure. It will store the result of our calculation is equal to calculate parenthesis open. The calculate function allows us to apply a filter to any calculation. Now the first parameter of this formula is the calculation of sales. So here I'm going to type sum in parenthesis sales into sales. Basically this formula will calculate the total sales. Then I'm going to type region within region. Basically this region is the name of the table and this region is the name of the column within that region is equal to, in parentheses I'm going to type north. So basically I want the total sales, but the sales must be as this filter. This filter will be filtering the sales of north region. Power BI look at the sales data, pick only the rows where the region is north and then add up the sales for that region. Now let me explain the calculate formula with a simple example in Excel. I have my sales data open in an Excel file and I will show you how this formula works. First, I want to calculate the total sales. To do this, I will use the subtotal formula in Excel. I will press Alt plus on the keyboard. Excel automatically adds the subtotal formula and calculates the total sales for all regions. This subtotal is similar to the first part of the calculate formula in Power BI. Now I want to filter my data to show only the sales for the north region. I go to the region column in Excel. I apply a filter and select 2, which is the ID for north region. Now this formula that is adding the sales, this is similar with this part of the calculate formula and I applied a filter on north region. So this filter as similar with the filter that I applied in calculate formula. This is exactly what the calculate formula does in Power BI. It combines the calculation and filter the north sales here and giving me the sales of north region. If you practice this example a few times, you will find it easy to use the calculate formula in Power BI. If you still have any question, feel free to ask in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Power BI tips and tricks. See you in the next episode of this incredible playlist. Goodbye.